Hey guys, Baseplay 12 here, or Mitch as you guys know me. Today it's going to be one of those songs of definite hope and we got this. It's going to be Starship's Nothing's Gonna Stop Us Now. Really love this song. I busted out my 5 string for this, and it's just one of those encouraging songs, especially for what we're going through right now. That you know what, if we all just do our part, and what's really cool is you're starting to see some really good things. People coming out and volunteering, definitely all of our first responders and medical staff that just, they're going through hard times, but they could keep going to work. And then all of you guys at home just doing your part. We're all going to get through this together. So today it's going to be Starship. Nothing's going to stop us now. And after watching this video, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. Come on, I know you can do it.